when you first get the unit, in the care package comes the AC cord. You want to remove the protector. This 3-pin socket goes in just like this one is, and you want to charge it for at least 12 hours before first use. The care package comes with a 3.5 to 3.5 cable. This is the easiest way to use the product. And as you can see here, we've plugged it in already, and all you need to do is grab your mobile phone. 3.5 goes in, make sure you put into the line input, and goes into your phone like this, and you can go ahead and, if I can log in here, and go to your music file and just play. That easy. So 3.5 to 3.5 is really the easiest way to go.